Hi guys, this is a quick announcement for all the CA intermediate students writing their exams in November 23 and waiting for the revisionary videos. Now listen to me very carefully. The revisionary videos for the May 23 are only applicable for the November 23. I'll not be going ahead and recording any new revisionary for the CA intermediate students. So CA intermediate students can go ahead and very well follow the May 23 ka revisionary which was already provided, whether you have version 4 chart book, whether you have version 5 chart book. So sir, how do we go ahead and use that? You can use the May 23 ka revisionary only. Along with the May 23 ka revisionary, what I will go ahead and do is in the link below, description, basically in the description I'll provide the link for the May 20 revisionary plus the amendments which are applicable for November 20. So May 20 ka revisionary along with the amendment which is around 1.5 hour ka amendment video, you can go ahead and see, and you will be completely done with your revisionary for November 20 exam. So whether you are a student having version 4 or you are a student having version 5 chart book, both the students can very well use the May 20 ka revisionary. Along with that, just refer to the amendment notes and the amendment video which is there, which is just 1.5 hour, and you will be done with your complete revisionary. I hope I was able to clarify your thoughts or your doubts relating to the revisionary for the November 20. All the best guys. The link, basically the link for the revisionary as well as the amendment, I will be going ahead and providing in the description below, and you can start your revision as soon as possible. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys.